shot. Both of my Z's are broken. Broken. Alright, let me show you guys what's pop. The last video you saw of me giving my friends rides, okay, let me show you guys real quick. Okay, I do have the keys. I was running at about a quarter of a tank. As you can see right there, I am no longer. I was like about right here, and as you can see right now, I was half tank. And I even told my friend Brian, I'm like, Brian, I was at a quarter of a tank and I'm half tank, so that's looking really weird. And I haven't driven the car for like a good 3 days, and right now I woke up early to go to the gym, and listen to this. The car's not turning on because it doesn't have any gas. It's telling me that I have gas, but it doesn't. I read on it and something cracked in the gas thing, which I'm gonna tell you guys about right now. Look at this, like the smallest thing. If this is the reason, I'm gonna feel, well, it's not even my fault, to be honest. My car ran out of gas, and look, we're still half tank, so that's how you know I cracked the pump assembly, something like that. But I'm gonna talk more about that in a little bit. Alright, so what better way to show you guys or explain to you guys what happened as I drive my broken Z. My fuel gauge is completely off. Like, look at this. I almost filled my whole car with $20. Alright, so basically I cracked my fuel pump assembly, which I'm not too mad about because I was literally asking for it. As you guys can tell by my vlogs, I'm at a gas station with really low gas, like every other vlog. Like, I'm literally just asking for it. So, and that's very common in these cars. That's why you shouldn't do that. So don't be like me, don't be like this guy right here. Make sure you're at least a half tank, or try never to get it down to like a quarter tank. So learn from me, boys. That's basically what happened. I think the whole assembly costs like almost 200 bucks. I can run the car like this. I just can't do a lot of pulls because fuel can leak out, we can catch on fire, and then it's gonna be like a McLaren Senna experience. So I gotta be careful with that. Alright, so as you guys can tell by this beautiful face expression, I can't even open my eyes. Kind of just woke up and currently heading to school, but just take a moment and just look how broken they are. They just look so broken. And it's so sad. Ooh, I haven't given you boys a cold start, so enjoy. You know what my favorite part about coming to school is? Yeah. Yep. With that said, talk to you guys in a bit. Just in a split second for you guys and a couple hours for me, we're out of school. We are out. I really want to do a pull, but the fact that the fuel system assembly is cracked or broken, I was reading into it, there's potential of it catching on fire, fuel leaking, all that not very good things. So this is worse than I thought, to be honest. Zoom. I know, before you commented, vlog's been all over the place. To be honest with you guys, I went home. I did a bunch of homework for math because I got a test tomorrow and it's due tomorrow and I got to study for tomorrow, so it sucks. It's been all over the place, but after reading a bunch of horror stories of this issue that I'm having, thank God my car had no gas at my house. He was with us. Wow. Oh, and that's why we're here right now, because I do not want to run out of gas by accident, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I put like $20 of gas every couple days because, like I said, it's not reading right. We do not. Can you guys imagine you're driving and the car starts going da, 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 and then it doesn't turn on, you don't know why? Do not have a lot of money. Boom. I just added $20 more and we're still where we were before. Not the funnest problem to have in your car, to be honest. I never realized there was actually light here. All right. Oh, it's so bad right now. I forgot to show you guys. So this like a really weird fruit I've only heard about a couple times. I don't know. It smells really good and it tastes amazing. On the comments below, let me know if you've ever heard of it. Guanabana. Yeah, guanabana or guayabana, something like that. It tastes so good. I also want you boys to let me know in the comments below what's the worst thing that's happened to your car, like problem wise? This is not the worst because, as you guys know, my slave went out twice and I had to fix it like twice. But what is the worst problem you've ever had? This is not horrible, but it's definitely gonna affect a lot of things. So this is basically what a fuel pump assembly looks like for the 370. Maybe other cars as well, but this is it right here. That big pump right there looks like the one from the little pool behind my house, to be honest. So I'm pretty sure as to what happened is the top hat of the fuel pump broke off, or not broke off, just cracked or something. That top looks like literally a hat. But then the problem is I don't think they sell an OEM just fuel pump top hat by itself, so I would have to buy the whole assembly. If I'm wrong, please let me know. I haven't read too much, but from what I read, I think I'm just gonna end up buying the full assembly, because if I do buy a better top hat, which is stronger, and it's never gonna happen again, it's like a permanent fix, it's just for the top hat, $270, shipping probably 300 bucks. I'm not about to buy a top hat for 300 when I can buy a whole fuel pump assembly OEM ranging from $70 to $180. So yeah, we're not rich out here. We're not trying to make big, we're not making big power, so it's not really necessary that we get a better aftermarket fuel pump or top hat or bottom hat, mid hat, whatever. So yeah, that's where my brain is at. That's what's happening right now. I hope you guys pray for us, wish us our condolences. I don't think I said that correctly, but so go ahead and watch the previous video, which is basically literally how this happened. Just go ahead and watch it. It's a really fun video. People reacting to the tow mate. It was so much fun to make, all my friends and everybody. So make sure you guys go ahead and watch that video. It's free. Also, boys, like, smash that thumbs up button. Just annihilate that little button. It helps with the channel a crap ton, just with the algorithm and us getting, just, it helps out a lot. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. This was a little update video. This is not a planned video at all, but I did post this on my Instagram and a lot of you guys were asking me what happened. So yeah, this is what happened. She's broken. We're gonna fix her soon though. Smash that like, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm going to school, have a night class. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Watch the last video. Peace.